Shopping for a lawnmower shouldn't be daunting. It should be easy and fun. MowersDirect.com provides a number of interactive and step-by-step features to help you pick the perfect lawnmower without ever leaving your home. We offer several ways to shop, and it usually takes just a few clicks. For example, if you already know what you want, use our quick search to compare more than 200 lawnmower models. You'll see what's hot and what's not. Use our filters to narrow your selection and compare features, specs, and prices. If you're new to lawnmowers, our how-to library is stockpiled with entertaining articles and videos to quickly get you up to speed. Our interactive buyer's guides, customer reviews, and expert recommendations will help you make an informed decision. If you need help along the way, we actually have a staff of highly trained experts, including Todd, who will personally guide you through your purchase. Best of all, we stock the best-selling brands and ship your lawnmower directly to your door for free. Selection, expertise, convenience. MowersDirect.com.